What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Auto Garage 20. Today's project, I'm going to be making this Harbor Freight workbench into a welding table. If you've seen in any of my previous video, I had this Craftsman stool that I was using as a place to do some welding on, which is not an ideal place to weld at all. So I bought this workbench and a 24-inch by 24-inch by quarter-inch thick piece of steel. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is unbox the workbench and go ahead and assemble that, and then after that we'll figure out where I need to reinforce possibly and get that piece of steel welded to the top of it. Okay, so I've got one of these other side braces on, got the other one here. It's got to tighten all the bolts down, so let's get to that one. Okay, got those all tightened down, so on to the next part. So I went ahead and removed the dowels from the handles and took the handles off. Now I'm going to scuff up the edges of the brackets here, so that way I got a good clean surface to weld on whenever I weld the lid on. Alright, so I've got the brackets stripped of all the paint. I got the holes almost lined up. I just kind of tweak it a little bit more, and then I'm ready to tack a couple welds on and make sure it's good to go, and if it is, then weld all around it. Okay, so here's where we're at now with it. Got the top welded on to the frame. So this will be the end of part one. Part two, I'm going to add some handles on the sides here so it's easier to pick up. And I'm also going to use this piece of angle to remove these and replace these, basically, because these are kind of weak sauce. So I think that'll make it a little sturdier and a little safer. So anyway, thanks for watching and have a great day.